where we rest and play. Sleeping late, it's a lazy day. Monday comes, we go to school. New week starts, it's really cool. Tuesday's time to learn some more. Books and games we all adore. Wednesday's here, it's halfway done. Work and fun for everyone. Thursday brings our art and play. Colors bright and smiles all day. Friday's near, hooray, hooray. Weekend fun is on its way. Thursday brings our art and play. Colors bright and smiles all day.
No one can subscribe our channel.
Don't worry, Teddy kids are so smart. Who are watching this video, they will definitely subscribe, please, said your parents. To subscribe,